580. So if we multiply this by 15, we have $8,700. $8,700. That's how much this person has made just by offering this service. And this is a very low competition niche that you can get on and start making a lot of money. And to think that this is very easy to achieve using Canva with just few clicks. It's my imagination, and trust me, it's something that you can learn right now. Now, if you're interested in learning it, please come closer and let me show you. So to get started, all you have to do is to fire up your Canva and come over to this search and let's search for ebook. So now that we have the ebook templates opened, the next thing we're going to do is to search for a template that we want to use. So you can go ahead and use whichever one that you want, but I'm just going to pick any one for the purpose of this tutorial so that we'll not make this tutorial a very long one. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this. So if you click on it, it's going to ask you to customize this template, and we're going to go ahead and click on customize this template. And it's so easy, guys. These things are very easy, and that is why you have to subscribe to this channel so that I can show you amazing things you can do with Canva and so many other ways you can make money online using digital skills. So here it has opened and we have 12 pages here. Just in case you don't know how to customize an ebook, you can just customize it the way you want it. Just highlight any text that you want and change the text. And you can also change the pictures to your pictures. Just go ahead and edit it the way you want it. So you can go ahead and make the edits. It's quite easy. We're not going to be going into that because it's not part of this tutorial. But let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on how to write an ebook. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to do a dedicated video on how to create ebooks. And here you can change the picture. Just drag and drop. Go to your uploads, pick up your picture, whatever picture that you have. Let's say I want to use this picture. You drag and drop. And it's as easy as that. You can even come over to designs and go to style. And if you see any style that you like, you can pick the style. You can also use the font sets. So for the purpose of the tutorial, let's leave it like this and pretend that we have our ebook fully finished. And you don't have to do this for only ebooks. You can do this for any type of book, whether it's drawing or anything. You can just do it for any type of book, not just an ebook, right? But I'm using an ebook as an example. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on share. But instead of going to the download, all you have to do is to click on more, and it's going to give you more options. And then you can go ahead and just scroll down and find Flipbook, or you can just type it here. So if you type Flipbook, it's going to give us 3 options, but please, let's use Poblu. I hope I pronounced that right. Poblu Flipbooks. So let's use this. So here is telling us to select 10 pages, but we're going to select all the pages from 1 to 12 and hit done, and then click on save.
A few moments later.
So now that our design has been saved, the next thing we're going to do is to click on view in Poblu Flipbooks. All right, so you click on it and then it's going to open, and we're going to have our dose of goodness. So it has opened and then it's asking us for registration or login. So if you have an account, you can just go ahead and log in. But if you don't have an account, you go ahead and click on register, right? Click on register to register the account. So you can either sign in here or register here. So you just put your email address and put your name, 7-figure boss. I'm just going to go ahead and put in a dummy password and then click on sign up to sign up with this amazing platform. All right, so now we are in, so we can customize our flipbook now. So before we try out the flipbook, let me quickly show you how this flipbook maker works. So here is your name and description. That's the name of the ebook, and then the description of the ebook. This is where you put it. And then the background, if you want to change the background from whatever it is now to another thing, you can actually select any background here or upload your own background, right? And here is logo. You can go ahead and put your logo here. You can upload your own logo and use that for your design. It's going to appear across the book. And then here is for menu. You can show or hide flipbooks options. So you can show or hide options, you know, page sliders, thumbnails, prints, download PDF, and so on and so forth. You can decide to hide anyone. So anyone you want to hide, you just go ahead and turn it off. So here is security. If you want to password protect it, that if you want to have password for it. So anybody that has access to the password will be able to use or view the book. But if you don't have a password, then nothing. There's nothing, my friend. There's nothing you can do, my friend. Huh? All right, so here is the embed protection off. You can choose to do that as well so that people don't embed it in their platform or their website or anywhere. So here is lead form. If you want to generate a lead form with this, you can generate a lead form with this. I'm going to teach you guys this in a video that is coming up. Let me know if you want to see that also in the comment section. And by the way, if you have not liked this video now, please, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and like the video, smash the like button.
Smash that what up button, fam.
So that more people can see it and benefit from it. Thank you very much as you do so. So here is the preferences. If you want to set preferences, single page, right or left, that's if you want to flip from right to left or from left to right, you can actually do that here. Then show corner fold as it's folding, if you want to show corner fold and all that. We're going to try all that now. And then here is to add hotspots. So let's go ahead and test our flipbook and see how it looks. This looks quite amazing if you're using your mobile phone, because it's going to be full screen and then you're going to keep flipping like this. It's amazing. All right, so here is our flipbook. You can see how amazing it is. Oh, it's amazing, right? So you can even add sound if you want sound. As you know, you're flipping, it will be making, you know, like a book sound and all that. You can have that here as well. And then if you want it to be a single page, you can make it a single page and then it flips to a single page here. So if you don't want that, to just toggle that off. And if you want it right to left, you can do that from right to left. So it's going to flip from right to left. You know, you can flip like this and then you can flip like this as well. If you have this right to left, show corner fold. Corner fold is this one. Corner fold is this. So here is page shadows. Page shadows is very important. Make sure that it's turned on, because without the page shadow, the effect, it wouldn't sell the effect perfectly. So look at it doesn't look right? So you just make sure that you turn on the page shadows, and then the Google index. Make sure the Google index is on, because Google is going to index your book, and whenever anybody searches it on Google, your book will be there to welcome them, right? And then if you want to download it, all you have to do is to just hit this button right here to download it, and it downloads straight to your device. You can actually make a lot of money with this by offering it as a service, making it for people and getting paid for it. Now, let me wow you. Let me shock you. If you come over to Fiverr right now and search for Flipbook, let's search for Flipbook and see what people are doing here. So on Flipbook, you have just low competition, 178 people that are offering this service to the whole world. So this is a very low competition niche that you can get on now and start getting orders immediately. Here is why. Now you can see that this person has gotten over 333 orders, and this person has gotten over 580 orders, and this person has gotten over 237 orders, and this person has gotten over 55 orders, and this person is charging $105 to create an ebook, an interactive flip book. This is amazing, guys. I don't know what you're waiting for. So here you can see this person has gotten, so everybody is actually getting orders here. So if you create a gig with this idea, you're going to make a whole lot of money. So if we quickly open this one up, and as you can see here, the basic gig is just $10, and the standard gig is $20, and the premium is $30. Now this person has completed over 580 orders. Let's quickly do a quick mathematics, like I always love to do, to show you how much you are possibly going to make with this idea. So stay with me. So we're going to do 580 times. So because it has basic, standard, and premium, and we don't know which one that people order most, so we're going to just be multiplying it with $15 just to balance everything out, because most people will be ordering the one of $30 and $20, but let's just stay in between. So let's do $15. So we're going to be multiplying this by $15. So if we multiply this by 15, we have $8,700. That's how much this person has made just by offering Flipbook service. And this is something that you can do with a click of a button. So just go ahead, sign up with marketplaces, create a gig, and start receiving orders. It's as simple as that. And if you're thinking if there's other marketplaces like Fiverr, of course there is, and I've done a tutorial on that. You can go right here to watch 21 Fiverr alternatives that will get you started immediately. So just sign up with the 21 of them, create your gig, and start receiving orders. Go ahead and watch it right now and thank me later. See you on the other side. Keme-chan.